Hello, my dear students. Welcome to Maths Academy by DG. Myself Goindra, Senior Lecturer in Mathematics. Today we are going to start one of the important chapter, yes, which is very important for kcet and JMS. That is inverse trigonometric functions. Okay. So now, student, observe here. In this, we can cover the very important and interesting questions. Now we can start the first question. Yes, all of you ready? Shall we start? Yes. Now see the questions here. So now the first question, the value of sine inverse of, see friends, the value of sine inverse of cos of 53 pi by 5. Yes, we have to find the value of sine inverse of, yes, cos of 53 pi by 5. Okay, how we can find this? So we know that one formula here, that is sine inverse of, yes, sine inverse of sine x. Sine inverse of sine x is, sine inverse of sine x is x. Okay, that is what? X. Okay, so but there is here cos and there is a one condition. So when we can say sine inverse of sine x is x, there is again condition, this x should be again between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Okay, so we will check the solution. See friends, the solution, sine inverse of cos 53 pi by 5 is there. Now we can write 53 as 50 plus 3. Yes, we are writing the 53 as a what? 50 plus 3. Okay, it will be again what? 53. So now by taking the separate here, this one, yes, by taking here 50 by 5 plus 3 pi by 5, finally 50 by 5 gets cancelled, so we will get the here 10 pi, and this is the 3 pi by 10 5. Now we know that here, remember, yes, see, this is the 0 degrees and this is what? Pi. Yes or no? This total part is what? 180 degrees. This is the pi. Again, this is what completed pi. Pi plus pi, this is the 2 pi. Okay, so we know that even multiple of pi will get positive x-axis. Okay, odd multiple of pi will get at negative x-axis. Or, so that's why I'm writing here. This is the 10 pi. 10 pi, it is a even multiple of pi. That's why it is a positive x-axis. Okay, and 10 pi plus theta. See, this is the theta. Okay, this is again what? Theta. 10 pi plus theta will be present in which quadrant? First quadrant. Okay, will be present in what? First quadrant. Okay, so that's why I'm writing here 10 pi plus theta first quadrant. So now cos is positive, so we can write cos 3 pi by 5. Okay, still our solution is not completed, so we can write here cos changes to sin, because of just now I told you the formula is sine inverse of sine is, sine inverse of sine theta is theta. That's why we are going to convert this cos in terms of sine. So that's why I'm writing here, that is sine of, yes, pi by 2 minus theta. We know that 90 minus theta again what changes to in terms of cos. Okay, so that's we are writing here 90 minus theta is 3 pi by 5. Or, so now see students, sine of pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 5 nothing but LCM is 10. Okay, 5 minus yes, 3 to the 6, finally minus pi. We got sine inverse of, so wait, sine inverse of, just I will remove this one, sine inverse of, finally sin x will be here, yes, x. Now we got minus pi by 10. Okay, we got here what? Minus pi by 10. This is the solution about the question number 1. Have you any doubt in this? किसी को डाउट है क्या बच्चों? Yes, समझ में तो आ गया ना? So we will check the next question. Solve for x tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus x is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x. Okay, where x greater than 0. Okay, so we have to solve this to get the x values. Okay, we have to solve this for to get the x values. Okay, that's why I'm taking here tan inverse of 1 minus x by 1 plus 6 is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x is there now. Okay, but remember, we know that one formula, that is, we know that for one formula tan inverse of 1 tan inverse of x minus y by, yes, the formula is what? Tan inverse of, tan inverse of, I'm writing the formula, tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy, 1 plus xy. Okay, 1 plus xy, tan inverse of x minus y by 1 plus xy. Okay, so now this is in the form of 1 minus x by 1 plus x, means in place of x having the 1. Okay, in place of Yes, y having what? X. So we are writing in this form, that is the tan inverse of, the formula will be is equal to tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y, or tan inverse of x minus tan inverse of y. Hmm? So now we are writing this form. So that's why I'm taking here the solution. See, tan inverse of, so formula is tan inverse of x, x is 1 and y is x. Okay, tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of x is equal to 1 by 2 into tan inverse of x. Or the next one is tan inverse of c. I'm sending this one on right hand side. Okay, so already having the tan inverse of 1. So we are sending this minus tan inverse x right hand side, that is the plus. Already having 1 by 2 into tan inverse x. So 1 by 2 into tan inverse x plus 1 into tan inverse x, which will be what? 3 by 2 into tan inverse x. Or okay, but this one can be written as in a tan, when we can write the one at tan 45 1. That's why I'm writing in place of 1 is tan pi by 4. Or so now tan inverse of tan is what? Pi by 4. Again this word 3 by 2 into tan inverse of x is there. Okay, so 2 1 times, see students, 2 1 times 2 times gets cancelled. Finally we got here pi by 2. Okay, finally we got here what? Pi by 2 is equal to 3 into tan inverse of x. Okay, or next, we are taking this 3 on left hand side, pi by 6. Okay, tan inverse 6 equal to pi by 6, x is equal to, by sending tan inverse on right hand side, x is equal to tan pi by 6. Tan 30, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Or tan 30 is what? 1 by root 3. Okay, this is the final answer, and see the solution, which option is the correct, that is option D is the correct. 1 by root 3 is the solution. Okay, so now we will check the one more. Yes, solution. See, cos of, there is here what? Cos of 2 into cos inverse of 1 by 5 plus sin inverse of 1 by 5 is there. Cos of 2 into cos inverse 1 by 5 plus sin inverse 1 by 5 means, see students, this is the 2 into cos inverse of, yes, this is what? 2 into cos inverse of 1 by 5 is there now. So I will write here once, means this is the 2, we will write 1 plus 1. Okay, so because of cos inverse 1 by 5 plus sin inverse 1 by 5 will be what again? That is the pi by 2. Yes, because of there is one formula cos inverse x, remember please, cos inverse x plus cos inverse x plus sin inverse x, yes, is equal to pi by 2, is equal to what? Pi by 2. Okay, got it. So that's why I'm writing here cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is what? Pi by 2. We are using this formula to write here. Okay, that's why I'm writing here. So that is what, that is what. Okay, so here we are getting the, okay, we are getting here what? Finally cos inverse x plus sin inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Or got it. So that's why, so finally we got the result. Okay, this, see this, just I will rub this. Okay, 2 is there na, cos inverse of 1 by 5 plus cos, this will be the pi by 2. I'm writing the pi by 2 here, and there is a cos inverse of 1 by 5. Okay, so pi by 2 is there na, cos changes to sin. Again this side is the theta, second quadrant, cos is negative minus sin of cos 1, cos inverse 1 by 5. Okay, so now say this is the a. Okay, yes, we are taking this as a. Okay, finally we got cos is equal to 1 by 5. So by taking the cos is equal to 1 by 5, by using the right angle triangle, okay, by using the right angle triangle, it will be what? 1 by 5 is there now. This is the 1 and this what? Wait. Adjacent side. This is the adjacent side 1 and this what? 5. Yes, by using the Pythagoras theorem, we will be get this part. This part as a 2 root 6. Okay. So we have to find the sign opposite by hypotenuse. We got 2 root 5, 6 by 5. Okay. So got it. So we are writing this total part is minus 2 root 6 by 5. Okay. So finally our solution is completed. So students, thank you for watching. Yes, keep watching all the classes. Thank you so much.